Check this out. We got 2019 Citroen Dispatch. It's now installed with a rear view camera as well as a dash cam. So it's a 2-in-1 system, all done on your rear view mirror. So as you can see, this vehicle does not have a rear view mirror on there because you can't see at the back, see through the back. So this allows you now to see the rear of the vehicle. And also it's a dash cam, so you can see it's got the front lens there and the rear camera at the back, which records. So when you put it into reverse as well, it will give you the lines for parking. And also, because it's a dash cam, it will record for you as well at the same time. You can now dual view there. Just the front, just the back. If you want this installed on yours, give us a shout.